The data is in front of you, Damon.
That's it? I thought the new satellite would automatically link to the old ones.
It cannot find them. Without regular scheduling from telecommand, tracking accuracy degrades.
Thanks a lot, Iris.
Your vocal sentiment does not match your words' literal meaning. Thus, you are not actually thanking me.
Please stop talking. So, I still can't find the other Hammer of Dawn satellites. On the plus side, I accidentally invented an AI that understands sarcasm.
Here, that data drive you wanted. Maybe it'll help.
Find lost satellites? I doubt it. But I'll take a look.
Wait, hang on. Did we do all that for nothing?
Oh, it'll fire. But with only one working satellite up, it'll be tough to control the beam. What's wrong with Dave?
They've had a few problems.
What kind of problems?
That kind.
Oh, I know I'm gonna regret this. Everyone, meet the new Jack.
When the hell did you have time to build this?
When did I have time to build this? This is what I do. I sit here making stuff you guys don't appreciate and inevitably break.
Okay, so what's different about him?
Whole new range of behaviors. Improved scanning, augmented combat, and support modules. He's literally one of a kind. And he's all yours. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a bazillion 40-year-old satellites to find.
Damon, there are only 15 missing satellites.
Thank you, Iris. More sarcasm to add to your growing library.
Before we begin, Damon, the combat module you've brilliantly designed is now ready. My use of brilliantly was intended to be sarcastic. Did I succeed?
Follow me. You'll want to equip this new module ASAP. It'll make Jack combat ready.
Oh, I'm gonna dig this.
It'll give Jack what I've been calling flash. It blinds, stuns the enemy. Come on!
Hey, Foz. How's life in Jin's rear echelon treating you?
Brilliant. But then we can't all be off on some secret mission.
Oh, yeah? How'd you hear about that?
This is an army, not a monastery.
Yeah, okay. Well, look, we'll just leave you to the very important work of punching machines.
And sparring. Hang on a second, shitstick.
Shit stick. Del, theories?
I don't know. Maybe a stick made out of shit?
Or a stick used to stir up shit.
All right, fuck off. How about we make this interesting? You and me spar right now.
And how exactly is beating you interesting?
Yes or no?
You want in on this?
Pretty sure what's actually being measured here is gonna leave me at a distinct disadvantage. Then again, maybe not.
Hilarious. Are you in or not?
Oh, I'm in.
Come on, man. Let's just grab the Jack component and get out of here.
No, this will be fun.
Oh, son of a...
How's that fun working out for you?
Try it again, Foz. Come on. Hey, here's the thing, Foz. The bottle will spar with you, but not beat you. It's against their programming, but explains your false confidence. Quite a bit, actually.
Want some advice, Phoenix?
Nah, I'm good.
Jin does love her golden boys. But never for very long.
See, that was fun.
Fuck off.
All right, man. Now that Five's fun time's over, can we go find that component?
Let me be perfectly clear. When it comes to this weapon, I don't share your optimism.
It's the first time anyone's accused me of optimism.
Yes, well, I'll remind you your wife refused the idea of bringing the hammer back online. I would have thought you'd respect Anya's wishes.
I'm gonna pretend you didn't say that. For both our sakes.
Anya would have wanted you
You
to
don't get to talk about her.
If that's what you think, I won't argue.
You and that goddamn fertility program.
A program that gave you your son. And mine. I honor Anya. I loved Anya. I don't care if you believe me. When my program was in its infancy, she came to me. She volunteered. Both times she volunteered. Seeing First Minister Stroud undergo treatment. Do you know how many children are alive today thanks to her? She should be buried here, you know, with the Allfathers. The people need her inspiration.
Your inspiration was my wife.
First Minister, Lieutenant Phoenix and his squad.
Send them in. Ah, Lieutenant. I'm told you had a successful mission.
First Minister, I can explain.
By all means, explain when Damon Baird superseded me. Explain how launching a Hammer of Dawn satellite doesn't require my explicit approval.
Same page, huh?
Lieutenant, the Hammer of Dawn has taken more COG lives than most of the armies we've opposed. Your father knows this as well as anyone.
It's not the weapons I don't trust, First Minister. It's the people who use them.
The Hammer of Dawn will not be brought back online. Ah, that'll be a report on the evacuation of Settlement 2.
Settlement 2's being evacuated? Why?
There's been activity in the nearby burial site. Chief Carmine, report. Please, slow down.
Mobilize the 4th Division. We'll take command of the reinforcement effort.
Do it. Go.
James, we're getting close. Where do you want me and Kate?
Main gate. Keep anything else from getting inside.
You realize I'm the ranking officer here, right?
And we'll reinforce Carmine at the town hub.
I can't believe we're back here.
We did our duty. You need to get over it.
Get over it.
Guys, not the time. Cole, let's see what we're dealing with.
Oh, shit! Hang on a second!
Get out! Out! Out!
Now! Run!
Move your ass! was the last one.
Thanks. Now, get us out of here.
Boss, get cold!
Thanks. Well, that sucked. Baird, look, our Raven's down. You patch us through to Carmine?
No can do, kid. His radio's out.
You okay?
I can see him at the central hub, so he's up and fighting, but the swarm's all over him. Hurry if you can.
Run our way. Come on, Delta. Let's get out of here. Hey, Jack, pulse. All right, through here. We got a swarmac at our location.
I'll deploy DB units to take it out. Just get to Carmine.
We'll go. Right after we're done here. Take that!
Room's clear.
All evac trucks, proceed immediately to the hub. No stopping.
Lizzie, Delta here. There's a swarmac in the settlement. Keep your convoy away from it.
Oh, Delta, I was gonna do donuts around it.
Be advised, Corporal. They're faster than they look. Delta out.
Evac convoy!
Yeah, and only Lizzie drives that fast.
The best driver we got. Problem is, yeah, she knows it.
Come on, let's cut through this building.
Everybody, stay back! They're coming in!
Hey! Stand down, Private! We're gears!
Shit, sorry, Lieutenant.
No harm, no foul. What are you doing here?
Lost our DBs and we got civilians holed up in here.
Lizzie, Delta requesting civilian pickup. Sector 8, apartment complex.
Copy that, Delta. I'll circle back.
Thanks for that, Lieutenant.
No problem, Private. Come on, Delta.
I'm glad you showed up when you did, sir. Sorry again for the errant fire, Lieutenant.
You guys here to pick us up?
I'm sorry, no, but a convoy's coming. Just hang on.
Holy shit. Careful out there, sir.
Loco. Let's go, Delta.
control. I took care of it. DBs, we gotta secure this street.
Lizzie! Oh, man! You're crazy!
What can we do to help?
Just clear this street, Delta. Otherwise, we're stuck here.
All right, you heard her. Let's get to work.
Target locked.
Bear, we're assisting a stalled convoy. We might need reinforcements here.
Roger that, Delta. Diverting a Condor your way now.
Phoenix, for the last goddamn time, I'm the ranking officer, which means I call in the reinforcements.
Yes, sir. I will fix it.
Observe the beast.
Snipers, take him out!
JD, your Condor is close. What do you need?
Attacking.
Sorry, Jake, can't wait. Hope these help.
Thanks for that control.
We can't load civvies onto these trucks if there's no trucks left.
Take that!
Oh, shit! Scion! All right, people, here comes their MVP! There's just one left, Delta! Frag out!
That's it. Street's clear. Now let's regroup. That'll work. Take that.
Hey, the street's clear, but the rooftop ain't! We got a pouncer!
Grab the bus and watch those quills!
Keep away from it!
Executing maneuvers.
Watch his tail! Hell yeah!
That's it, we're clear.
Okay, thank you very much.
Lizzie, are you good to go?
Yeah, just gotta round up those civvies you found.
Delta, Carmine's squad just got overrun. They're hunkered down with civilians inside the tower. They're not gonna last if you don't get there soon.
They need you at the hub. Go! You can get there through the park. Gates by the steps.
All right, you heard her. Let's move.
Jack, pulse!
Oi, Del.
You gonna be okay?
You know, you might not have a problem with shooting innocent people, but I do.
Innocent, huh? Innocent? So people throwing firebombs are innocent? Good to know.
Both of you, knock it off.
Wait, I heard about this. That was you three?
Not three. One of us managed to keep his DBs under control.
What the hell happened?
We identified an insurgent element and eliminated it.
No, you opened fire on a protest.
Every herd needs a good culling.
I know who I'll call from this herd.
Look, what happened happened. Right now we focus on completing this evacuation.
You goddamn right.
There's the hub, dead ahead. Shit, Carmine is definitely in trouble. Hey, Jack, pulse.
Oh, what the hell, man? Our condos will get knocked out of the sky, too?
Yeah, I bet that goddamn Swarmac brought it down.
Every condor we lose means fewer reinforcements.
Awaiting further orders.
Come on, here's our way through. Snatcher. Shit. That thing gets to the hub, Carmine's screwed. Come on, come on!
Jack, hold! Hey, Juvie, take him out!
I got one thing to say. These Papa things got to go.
Pulse! Target down! Last one's down.
Delta, Carmine's back on comms, patching him through.
Phoenix, I'm down to my last squad of DBs here. Where the hell are you?
Hang on, Sarge. We're almost there. Sounds like Carmine's DB's still got some fight in him. Let's go! All right, looks like Carmine's holed up in that tower with the civilians.
Let's show these DBs how it's done. Clear the plaza.
Took him down.
Shit! They're everywhere!
I got him. Do not let up!
Wow, yeah! Come on, baby! You want some? Because I don't think you
Nice job, Delta. That's it. Carmine, plaza's clear.
Thanks, Delta, but you got more damn bogeys incoming. Hey, our supply drop is still out there, so put Baird's new Lancers to good use.
Wilco, you keep those civilians safe.
Oh, what do we got? Oh, Lancer grenade launchers? Where the hell does Baird find the time? Yeah, get them while they're hot.
I'll put this to good use.
Yo, I said get them while they hot. This shit's going cold, baby.
to make this work.
Here they come!
All right, Delta, let's light them up!
Hey, they're sneaking around the left.
Holy shit, there's a lot of them!
Kid, I got a couple condors left. What reinforcements do you need?
Got it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Next! Target down! Send down Shepard!
Got it. It's coming in hot.
Hey, check your aim! Target down.
They're coming at us from the right. Go! Someone get on that turret!
These are cool.
Target locked. Target engaged.
Stay there!
Threat assessed.
Shit! Another one! Dad.
Target acquired.
This time, I think that's it. We're clear.
Oi! Whatever happened to that snatcher we were following?
Oh, you had that!
Stay back! Fire in range!
Ah, that thing ain't swallowing me up! Oh, hell no! Get back in the game!
Oh, it's a big ugly beastie, isn't it?
Yeah, I see you. Hold on. Come on, Big Mama! This thing is game!
All right, Snatcher's down. Carmine, plaza secure. Continue the evac.
Copy that, Delta. We're coming out.
All right, evacuees, listen up. Double time it to the Minotaurs. No personal items, no luggage.
What, death? No personal items.
Carmine! Man, you kept a lot of people alive today, Sarge.
Ha ha! The grub killer returns, baby!
Grub killer, swarm killer, whatever. Yeah, rescued by my old trainees.
Uncle Clay.
Yeah, and now I gotta get up again. Was getting worried. You didn't report back.
Radio died. And these guys pulled me out of a jam.
Guess I owe you twice, Phoenix.
Now what?
Open fire! Down!
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, shit! Everyone, run!
JD, we lost it!
Delta, I'll sit down for extraction.
No, no! Clear out of here! It's not safe!
We're hit! Mayday, mayday, mayday!
Shit! Raven down! Let's get to the crash site!
We should check that crash for survivors, man. Come on! We gotta get to the Raven! We're gonna need a way around this fire! Cardio kit. Wait, what's your stim tech?
Jack, pulse.
Jack, pulse! Using that upgrade, Jack can stem us while we run through the fire. Okay, go! Go! Well, that packs a punch.
Organisms not found in our database. Logging unknown enemy type. Securing area. Concentrate fire.
Gonna need more stem.
Moving up. Requesting backup. Unit in distress.
Oh, shit! We're too late!
Del, over there, snipers!
Then let's clear them out!
This'll work.
Flash! Got him! Eddie, use the stem and drop blanket him!
Jack, pulse! Fire in the hole! Pulse!
Jack, flash!
All right, I think we got them all.
If that block thing can shut down our bots, there's no way we can hold this settlement.
JD, Del, Marcus and I had to bug out of the wall. Swarm is everywhere. Can't raise control.
Something's messing with our comm. Did you read, Kate? We got separated from Cole, Foss, and Carmine.
And we gotta regroup. Meet us at the theater.
Wilco, see you there.
JD, come on, let's cut through the hotel. Let's go. Get the door. Yo, Jack, give us some light.
Oh, shit.
We're losing a lot of gears.
Phoenix, I made it back to my convoy. Gonna try to get these people out of here.
Copy that, Lizzie. Good luck.
DB, stand down.
Set stand down!
Knock it off!
Got another one.
Are you kidding me? That block thing doesn't just shut DBs down, it turns them. What the hell, man? Oh shit! They're active!
Death fire!
Off the target!
Watch it! Frag out! Fire in the hole!
Throwing frag!
Jack! Hey, check your aim!
Drop the target!
Now this will do.
We're going in there, Del. Get ready. Man, I can't believe this turned to shit so fast.
Hey, Cole, Foz, Carmine. You think they're okay?
I hope so. Let's get to Kate and Dad. Then we can worry about the others.